All right. The second line we've got here, and I mentioned it and alluded to it earlier, is that Scrum does not solve all your solutions.
It doesn't?
It doesn't. I know. We do realize the hypocrisy of two professional Scrum trainers standing in front of you right now, but Scrum has a very specific use case. It is there to solve problems, particularly complex ones, with adaptive solutions. But what we see in a lot of organizations is that they say, we're going to choose the framework for you. You are a Scrum team. Scrum is the solution for us. Honestly, I'm seeing that a bit less as time progresses. I'm seeing things like SAFe progressing, people choosing different frameworks. But the root of this problem is that the organization is choosing and not the team. So what that means is when organizations choose, and they choose because their competitors are doing it too. Oh, they're using it, and therefore we should too. And that is, honestly, an awful reason to do it. What they do when they've made that decision is they'll go, right, we need some training, and they will roll out incredibly expensive training out to their organizations. And sometimes that actually can be really helpful. If it is the right framework for the right problem for the right people, then actually training is an incredibly supportive thing to do. But actually, the first step is, hey, we're using Scrum, therefore every single person needs some professional training, is a really fast way to go bust.
And usually the leaders in the organizations are the ones who get trained last. So therefore, they are not leaders anymore, they're laggers. If you got to lead something that you don't know what it consists of, or what it means, or how it works, how do you know how to lead it?
Yeah. Get those sponsors trained first, so at least you can help make some real decisions. Or, here's a monumental new idea. Say to the teams, work how you want to work.
Absolutely.
Here's the output I want from you. Here's the outcome. Work how you want to work.
And I've seen so many organizations that treat Scrum or whatever framework that they're using like Harry Potter's magic wand, right? Poof, now we're doing Scrum. We're employing Scrum, and all of our problems going to be dissolved once again. And no, not at all. In fact, it's going to be the opposite. If you're going to employ one of these frameworks that create transparency, is going to create more transparency on your problems in the organization as well. So it's going to be a painful experience to start off with.
So number 2, Scrum is a potential solution, but the lie that we've got here is that it is the only solution. There would be many people you would see around the world who believe it is the only one, and those people are lying to you.
Yes. Comment from Tim Veldhuizen. Fail fast is good though.
Fail fast. Fail fast is absolutely, not just fail fast, but failing should be a mandatory part. You should almost try and plan to fail because it feels a bit more safe that way.
I mean, it's risk mitigation as well. If we fail really fast, then we can discover very quickly as well what does not work to adapt for the better.
Discover and validation. Yeah,
right? 100%.
Absolutely.
Yeah.